We couldn't get him out.
Valerian. You left him behind!
Stand down! Let him go, Kerrigan. Valerian is helping us.
There is no us.
IFF negative. Multiple hostiles inside the perimeter.
Scramble attack response squads 3 through 9. Hull breach! Frame 7, deck 3! Defensive maneuver Delta 4. Prep all stations for jump.
No one is going anywhere until I see Jim.
Shields at 30. Failure imminent.
Dominion fleet, this is Hyperion. Cease fire. Crown Prince Valerian is aboard.
My father will sacrifice any piece on the chessboard to take the queen.
We have to jump now. We'll lead them away and circle back for Jim.
Decompression.
Sarah, we need to work together.
Do what you want. I'm going to find Jim.
Kerrigan, before we jumped, Hyperion tracked multiple Dominion signatures headed down to the surface. You're gonna have a surprise party down there.
Scanning. Detecting Dominion forces and a Zerg hive cluster.
Yeah, there must be an old hive here. I'm more worried about the Dominion.
Ground team, this is Fleet. What is your status?
Fleet, our base is set up and the track and pulse cannon is almost online.
Roger that. Eliminate all stragglers as they warp to these coordinates. We'll return for you. Fleet out.
That cannon will take out Jim's ship as soon as he enters orbit. He'll never see it coming. Set course for the Zerg hive cluster. I need an army. I can sense a mind controlling this brood. Who are you?
My queen, I am Nakdul, a brood mother. You created us to extend your control of the swarm. Have you returned to us?
I'm not your queen, and I haven't returned. But I need your brood to destroy the Terran cannon right now.
Most of my brood is with me. I can send them to you, but it will take time.
Then send them. When they arrive, we'll tear down that cannon before Jim gets here. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare this hive for combat. The Dominion would have tracked my ship, and they'll be looking for me. Okay. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. The first thing I need is a spawning pool.
We require more minerals.
Found Kerrigan. She's holed up in a Zerg base. We're going in. Send reinforcements.
The Dominion found us. They're going to hit us hard. Sweeping. Work to be done. Covering ground. I should can make zerglings from the larva at my hatchery. Heading out.
We require more minerals.
I remember spine crawlers. I can mutate them from drones.
When the Dominion arrived, they drove some of my brood into caves. They will rejoin us if we can kill the Terran soldiers guarding the cave entrances.
Ready for action. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Work to be done.
We require more minerals. Our forces are under...
Stand back up! Being attacked! Need backup! Now!
Heading out. Covering ground. This is Kerrigan. Right. Pushing ahead. Work to be done. I gotcha.
Come out of hiding, Zerglings! Fight for your queen!
Action. What is it? Heading out.
Spawn more overlords.
Safety's off. Covering. This is Kerrigan.
A creature is under attack. There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen.
Ready for action. This is Kerrigan. Pushing ahead. Safety's off. On the same. Dominion approaching from the north. Heading out. Work to be done. Heading out. Right. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Work to be done.
You have recovered part of the brood. Rise, my children.
Pushing it. What is it? Safety's off.
A creature is under attack.
What is it? Sweeping. Ready for action. This is Kerrigan.
Spawn more overlords. Mutation complete. There is a large Dominion force on its way to the Hive Cluster. Morphing additional drones will allow us to harvest minerals faster.
Say again? Yeah, I hear you.
There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen.
Work to be done. Sweeping. On the same page. Heading out. I gotcha. Say again? Work to be done. Right. Hold still.
Mutation complete. We require more minerals. The Dominion's base is formidable. You will need to morph more combat units to destroy it.
Pushing ahead. Work to be done. I gotcha. again? Right.
The worms are tunneling to you right now. My brood will be there soon.
Heading out.
More of my zerglings. The brood grows stronger.
Say again? What is it? Sweeping. Heading out. Safety's off. Work to be done. Yeah. This is Kerrigan. I gotcha.
We must face that creep.
Say again? What is it?
Before my Nidus worms bring reinforcements.
This is Kerrigan. Work to be done. On the same page. I got you. Pushing ahead. Ready for action.
We require more minerals.
Safety's off. Sweeping. On the same. Heading out. Right. Say again?
My brood has come! They are yours to command, my queen!
Perfect. Now let's get up to their base and destroy that cannon before Jim arrives.
If you wish to command all of your forces in battle, there is a way to control them all at once.
Yeah, I hear you. Sweeping. Pushing ahead. What is it? Covering ground.
Our forces are under attack.
Ready for action. This is Kerrigan. Safety's off.
Zerg! Defend the cannon!
All All of my brood is here to serve you.
On the same page.
Is destroyed! The Terrans are fleeing to their ships!
Kill them all. No one gets out alive.
Yes! The Queen has returned! Kill the Terrans!
The Queen? You're right. I was slipping back into something that... I have to get out of here.
We will await your return.